So I'm on my way to a meeting. I'm walking uphill and it's raining. And then when I'm finally done with this, I am going to go to the Dollar Tree and I'm gonna be happy. So how many of you did I just stick that song in your head for the rest of the day? You're welcome. Well, that meeting sucked the life out of me. And guess what? There's another one tomorrow at 9 a.m. I made it! Yay! 2 weeks in a row. So these are cuter than the ones I picked up at that other dollar store, but oh well, too late. They have a ton of those like handmade greeting cards for graduation. I guess they must have just got this in. They're pretty stocked. This is a good size box if you use this. Look how pretty these bags are, the cosmetic bags. That's a green. It's coming off gray, but it's a green. And that one's like a grayish blue. Cute scissors. Well, that Dollar Tree was as exciting as that meeting. I will show you, though, what I was able to find. I think I'm just going to stop going to that Dollar Tree altogether because it seems to be the same story every time I go. I barely find anything good, and the shelves are always empty. I got one of these. This caught my interest, and as soon as I pick it up, I can smell it. It smells really nice, so I'm hoping that I get the same scent and it lasts long in the closet. I'm telling you, I'm pretty impressed so far. I don't know how good these will be, but I was pretty excited to find a 4-pack. I have not eaten all day, so these look pretty darn good. I know this was probably a waste of $1, but mine is broke and you can't do without a can opener, so until I can purchase a better one, I figured this is better than nothing. Grabbed a bag of hash browns. Haven't seen these at any of the Dollar Trees I go to, so I thought that was a pretty cool find. And I won't use this in my pocketbook. I'll use it at home because I still put stuff on even at home because, you know, when you're out and you're touching different things, I don't want to put my fingers on my lips. So this is definitely something that I will use at home. Repurchase and staple. And last item, I thought this looked pretty good. Lentil, kale, and potato soup. Hopefully next week's trip will be better, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!